What's up everybody, this is CryptoBox with another video. I make videos daily about blockchain games and NFTs. Consider subscribing to my channel so you can get daily updates. So in today's video we're going to be looking at CryptoZoon. This is a newer NFT game and it has came out around August the 2nd, which is pretty new. And so we're going to be looking at how if this is a great game and look deep into how you can play or stuff like that. That's gonna be for another video on how to play, but for right now we're gonna focus on what is CryptoZoon and how you can know more about this. So it has a really good potential so far of reaching a 50x market cap, which is 928 million or somewhere around there. So if it were to hit 900 million market cap, you would get 50 times the amount of your money. So if we pulled out the calculator and we use 19, or we can just copy this actually. There you go. So times 50, 957 million market cap. And if you were to put like 2,500, or let's say you have $2,500 in Zoon tokens times 50, boom, you have $125,000. It's actually pretty possible in my opinion. So let's get into it. So it's ran on Binance Smart Chain, which is a pretty popular option of all the games that I've covered. It's mostly Binance Smart Chain games, and so it is not that popular, this token or game. It's a pretty good game though. I'll say that it's a pretty good game. And it's play to earn, so that's a really good component. Everyone likes play to earn. Who doesn't? You've got everything about it here. You can use it on PancakeSwap if you want to get their Zoon tokens, but you will have to use Wrapped BNB. And then here's their website. So in their website, you've got this cool designs, and you can see that you can add their contract address into your MetaMask. You can enter the app, and so let's go down. This is their prices, minted NFTs, and etc. We've got the first ecosystem to combine the greatest aspects of gaming and digital collectibles. So really what they're saying is that it is a pretty fun game where you can farm, you can train, you can breed and grow. Like it's kind of like Axie Infinity, you could say. And you can fight monsters, so it's a pretty fun game, I'd say. And you can see that you have to own at least one zone, which is at least one item, so you can use it for the game, and that will cover later on. So I might get my own zone just to show you guys, and that'll be for a different video. So here you can buy directly from other players. There's items, or you can purchase an egg and see if you're lucky or not, and so that's how you can own your own zone or item. Then you have play to earn, so you perform daily quests just like Axie Infinity. You've got daily quests, so you'll have to do that. And there's also a way where you could get like 45 BNB or 55 BNB by just defeating one monster, which will take a little bit of time to get there, but that's a really good reward you can get. Then you can use Zoon tokens to acquire more zones with higher level to enhance your profit. So the more you put into the game, the better your items are, so you could get more profit at the end. You got the tokenomics, where 43% is play to earn. Then which is right here. This is the play to earn area. Then you got farming, training, and then you got this little place, airdrop 2%, developer 5%. Then you got liquidity pools 25% and pre-sale 25%. This is their roadmap. So far they've completed phase 1 and they're getting to phase 2 right here. So it is still going through its phases, but it seems like it's going through their phases really quick since it came out only on August 2nd. Then you got their FAQ and your partners, and you can find every single social platform they're on. So you've got their Telegram group, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, Discord, YouTube. So you've got everything here. You can even email them if you really wanted to. And so you can check out their Twitter here. So this is their Twitter. They've already got 127k followers. So it is pretty popular compared to others. So I'd follow them. If you guys want to follow them, you follow them. And you can check out their updates here on Twitter too. Profit tracking, whatever they're saying here, is always an update or an announcement. So if you ever want to know, here you go. Now the spawn rate of rares is like they're telling you every single update right here. So they're not hiding anything. They're not trying to hide some bullcrap code where you open the egg and it's an 80% garbage or something like that. So it is a pretty good platform. I have belief in this platform going well. So that will be it for the video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Comment what you want for the next video and what game you recommend. I'll see you guys later.